Committed to expanding our global supply chain network, SOLUM is increasing its manufacturing capacity through the opening of a new production facility in North America. Strategically located in Tijuana, Mexico, the location guarantees a shorter and more efficient logistical chain, securing quick delivery to customers in both North and South America. Established in November 2020, the production site is SOLUM's first manufacturing facility in the region, supplying SMPS and visual boards to the world's leading TV set manufacturers. The site consists of 2 plants with a total production capacity of 37,000 units per day across 20 lines. More than 1 million products can be produced each month. With our commitment to being the #1 manufacturing company of electronic plates, SOLUM Mexico follows a rigid quality assurance program. That is why we've been awarded international certifications for quality, environment, and health and safety. SOLUM Mexico implements 2 strict quality assurance programs. The SMD 100% inspection mode, where a combination of special 3D inspection machines and line management systems are used to ensure that all components for the TV board assembly are 100% correct and free of defects. The second layer is the PBA 100% inspection mode. In this stage, image function testing ensures compliance with all hardware and software specifications of the assembled TV boards. The completion process of each product aims at a 0 defect rate for customers. With our factory being home to over 540 local employees, SOLUM Mexico dedicates itself to providing its people with the safest and most fulfilling working environment possible. And to meet increasing demand from new and existing customers, SOLUM Mexico will continue to expand its manufacturing capabilities even further in the years to come. Through innovation, high-quality manufacturing, and our passionate and skilled workforce, SOLUM Mexico is an essential cornerstone in our mission to become the global #1 solution provider.